Hello children, today we are going to discuss about 4th standard 4th chapter Northern Mountains. The exercise part we need to discuss today. Let's discuss checkpoint. Main question number 1, fill in the blanks. Question number 1, a group of mountains that are close together is called a dash. A mountain range. Second question, dash is the highest peak of the world. Mount Everest is the highest peak of the world. Third question, the word Himalaya means abode of snow. Fourth question, the greater Himalayas are also known as dash Himadri. Fifth question, rhododendrons are grown in the dash. Rhododendrons are grown in the middle Himalayas. Just note down the checkpoint. Next we will discuss main question second. State whether the following statements are true. You should write T. Otherwise, if it is that statement is false, you should write F. Let's discuss. Main question A. Jammu is the summer capital of Jammu and Kashmir. Is this correct? No, false. Second question. Kedarnath is in Uttarakhand. Is it true? True. Third question, Agartala is the capital of Nagaland. False. Fourth question, Meghalaya means abode of clouds. Is it true or false? True. Just note down the checkpoint statements. Next we will move. Choose the correct options. Question number 1. Dash is the highest peak in the world. The options are Mount Everest, K2, Nanda Devi. Option A is the right option. Mount Everest is the highest peak in the world. Second question. Dash is a famous hill station of the middle Himalayan. The three options are A. Manali, B. Ooty, C. Panchgani. Which is the right option here? Option A is the right option, Manali. Third question. The foothill of the outer Himalayas is known as dash region. The three options are Bangar, Khadar, Tarai. The foothills of the outer Himalayas is known as Tarai region. Fourth question. Shimla is the capital of dash. Rajasthan, Assam, Himachal Pradesh. C is the right option. Fifth question. Mizoram is famous for dash dance. Tree, leaf, bamboo. Mizoram is famous for bamboo dance. Sixth question. Dash is the main cottage industry of Sikkim. Sewing, weaving, handicrafts. Weaving is the main cottage industry of Sikkim. Option B is the right option. Write it neatly. Next we will move. Match the following places to visit to their respective states. Let's discuss. Question, I will read first A part. Question number 1, Gulmarg. 2, Hemakunda Sahib. Third, Tawang. Fourth one, Elephant Falls. Fifth one, Kangla Fort. A. Manipur. B. Meghalaya. C. Uttarakhand. D. Arunachal Pradesh. E. Jammu and Kashmir. Gulmarg. Where I have to match children? Gulmarg. Option E. Question number 1. We have to match with the E option. Jammu and Kashmir. Hemakunda Sahib. Hemakunda Sahib. It is situated in Uttarakhand. We should match. We have to match with the C option. Tawang. Where we have to match? Tawang, Arunachal Pradesh. Elephant Falls. We have to match with the B option. Question number 5. Kangla Fort. Where we have to match? Kangla Fort, Manipur. Answer these questions. Question number 1. Which mountain ranges from the northern mountains in India? Let's discuss the answer. Which mountain ranges from the northern mountains in India? See here, the northern mountains include the Himalayas, the Karakoram, and the northeastern mountain ranges. The northern mountains include the Himalayas, the Karakoram, and the northeastern mountain ranges. Second question. What is pass? Given. See here. A route through a mountain range is called a mountain pass or la. Example include Rohtang Pass. A route through a mountain range is called a mountain pass or la. Example include Rohtang Pass. I will give you more example in your textbook. I will show the examples. You can write any example. See here. A route through a mountain range is called a mountain pass or la. Examples you can write Zojila, Rohtang Pass, Shipkila, Nathula, Changla, Khardungla, whichever. 6 las are there or 6 mountain passes are there. Whichever the easiest word or which one is easiest for you, you can write. Okay. See here, this is the mountain pass picture. Means Rohtang Pass. People use passes to cross or climb a mountain. This is the second question. Okay. We will move third. Which Indian state has 2 capitals? Which Indian state, children? Tell me. Are you remember? Which state has 2 capitals? Third question. Jammu and Kashmir has 2 capitals. One for winter season and therefore summer season. Jammu and Kashmir has 2 capitals. Fourth question. Where are Pashmina goats found? Means in which state can we found Pashmina goats? See here. Pashmina goats are found in the high altitudes of the Himalayas in the Jammu and Kashmir state. Pashmina goats are found in the high altitudes of the Himalayas in the Jammu and Kashmir state. Fifth question. Name the world's 3rd highest peak. I will show all the world peaks. See here. You can change the question like this. Name the world's highest peaks. Okay. See here. First one is Mount Everest, 8,848 meter height. Mount Godwin Austen, You can call it as K2, means Mount Godwin Austen is also known as K2. Height is 8,611 meter. Kanchanajunga 8,586 meter. Annapurna 8,091 meter. Nanda Devi 7,816 meter. These are the highest peaks. Make it block or make it 2 columns and write it. Next, describe the climate of the northern mountains. See here, describe the climate of the northern mountains. The greater Himalayas get heavy snowfall during winter. The greater Himalayas get heavy snowfall during winter. They remain very cold throughout the year. Whenever you are writing long answers in SST subject, you should write in a point-wise manner. First one is, the greater Himalayas get heavy snowfall during winter. Second point, they remain very cold throughout the year. The middle Himalayas have a summer temperature of around 17 degrees Celsius. Third point. Fourth point, the outer Himalayas are not very cold, but they get heavy rainfall during monsoon. You should write in a point wise. First point, second point, third point, like this. Next question. Most states in northern mountains are visited by tourists. Why? Why? Because so many hill stations are there, so many national parks are there, tourist places are there, beautiful valleys are there, and highest peaks are there. Is it not? Let's discuss. Most states in the northern mountains are visited by tourists because the weather remains cold throughout the year. Most states in the northern mountains are visited by tourists because the weather remains cold throughout the year. Is it not? Next, 8th question. Write a short note on the culture and occupation of Himachal Pradesh. The people of Himachal Pradesh wear bright colored cloths such as kurta, pajama and scarf. First point. Second point, their staple diet includes rice, maize and vegetables and patiran, chaukare, the important dishes. Hindi, Punjabi, Pahari, Dogri and Kangri are commonly spoken languages and people love folk music and dance. The main occupation includes agriculture of wheat, maize, barley and also plums, peach, apples. Toy making, wood carving and shawl weaving are the other important occupations. Next question. Differentiate between the vegetation of the middle Himalayas and the outer Himalaya. Means we should write comparison or difference or distinguish this answer. Okay, let's discuss. The middle Himalayas consist of forest covered mountains and fertile valleys. In the right side block, you should write Outer Himalaya heading. The Outer Himalayan range is covered with a thick deciduous forest. This much only. Very easy. Think and answer it. This is very important question. The peaks of the Greater Himalayas are covered with the snow throughout the year. Why? Why, children? Why? Because the peaks of the Greater Himalayas is in the northern or northmost part, and it is the highest range of the Himalayas. The peaks of the Greater Himalayas is in the northernmost part, and it is the highest range of the Himalayas. They get heavy snowfall during winter and remain very cold throughout the year due to high altitude and snowfall. The peaks are covered with the snow throughout the year. Okay, see here. We completed the exercise part of Northern Mountain lesson. Thank you. Before started this lesson in your fair book, first you should highlight the highest peaks in the beginning page, and in the second page you should draw the India map and label the northern states and northeastern states. Afterwards, you can start the checkpoint or exercise part. Thank you.